We all lead multifaceted lives. Work, social events, unexpected adventures, each calls for a different version of ourselves. Imagine transforming your look in minutes, going from a professional daytime style to a captivating evening look, ready to embrace whatever comes your way. This is the magic of adaptable makeup, allowing you to feel confident and radiant, no matter the occasion. It's about expressing your creativity and individuality, adapting your look to match your mood and environment. With a few strategic additions and techniques, your makeup bag can become a transformative toolkit, ready to help you conquer the day and own the night. Daytime makeup is all about enhancing your natural beauty, creating a polished look that's subtle yet impactful. Start with a lightweight foundation or tinted moisturizer to even out your skin tone, allowing your natural radiance to shine through. For your eyes, opt for neutral eyeshadows in soft browns, taupes, or peaches. These shades complement most eye colors and create a subtle definition that opens up the eyes. A thin line of brown or black eyeliner applied close to the lash line adds a touch of sophistication without appearing too harsh for daytime. Finish with a coat or two of mascara to lengthen and define your lashes, making your eyes appear wider and brighter. A touch of cream blush and a tinted lip balm complete the look. As the sun sets and the day transitions into night, so too can your makeup. The key to a seamless transformation lies in amplifying your existing makeup rather than starting from scratch. To intensify your eye makeup, layer a darker shade of eyeshadow onto the outer corners of your eyelids, blending it inwards towards the crease. If you used eyeliner earlier, you can now thicken the line slightly, opting for a winged or smudged effect for a more sultry look. For extra impact, apply a few individual false lashes to the outer corners of your eyes, or add a coat of volumizing mascara for a bolder lash look. Finally, swap your daytime lip color for a bolder shade. A classic red, a deep berry, or a vibrant coral can instantly elevate your look. Achieving a flawless day-to-night makeup transformation doesn't have to be time-consuming or complicated. Invest in multi-purpose products that can be used on both your eyes, lips, and cheeks. A cream blush, for example, can double as a lip color and even an eyeshadow. When it comes to application, consider using your fingers instead of brushes for a quicker and more natural-looking finish. Keep a pack of blotting papers and a small tube of concealer in your purse for quick touch-ups throughout the day and night. And don't be afraid to experiment. Play around with different shades and textures to find what works best for you and your personal style. The beauty of makeup lies in its versatility. Just as you adapt your outfit to suit the occasion, your makeup can also be tailored to match the mood and dress code. For a professional setting, a polished and understated look is key. Stick to neutral eyeshadows, a light application of eyeliner, and a nude or MLBB, My Lips But Better lipstick. For a casual outing with friends, you can be more playful with your makeup. Experiment with brighter colors, try a bold lip, or add a touch of shimmer to your eyelids. When it comes to formal events, like weddings or cocktail parties, you can embrace a more glamorous approach. Opt for a full coverage foundation, a smoky eye, and a statement lip color. This is your chance to experiment with bolder looks and create a truly captivating evening look. Don't be afraid to express your personality and have fun with your look. Mastering the art of day-to-night makeup is about more than just knowing which products to use. It's about feeling empowered to express yourself authentically in every situation. Whether you're rocking a subtle daytime look or a captivating evening style, the most important thing is that you feel comfortable and confident in your own skin. Remember, makeup is a form of self-expression, a way to showcase your creativity and enhance your features. So embrace your inner artist, experiment with different looks, and have fun with it. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become in your ability to transform your look and conquer any occasion with grace and style. After all, makeup should make you feel good. And when you feel good, you radiate confidence from within.